Welcome back to our channel Respect Education. Now let us see next question, that is question number 2. ABC is a right triangle, right angled at B. Let D and E be any points on AB and BC respectively. Then prove that AE square plus CD square is equal to AC square plus DE square. Let us draw a suitable diagram for this. So here ABC is a right angle triangle. ABC is a right angle triangle, right angled at B. So here is B. We can take A here and C here. Now D is a point on AB. So consider D here. And E is a point on BC. It is not necessary that not given that okay they are the midpoint. So we can take anywhere. E is the point on BC. Now we have to prove that AE square. So for that you need to join AE first. Join AE. Next, is it right? Join AE. And then CD square. So join CD also. And AC square. AC is already joined. DE square. Join DE also. It's not compulsory to maintain these dots, but just I wanted to show you a little bit difference, that's what. Nothing more than that. Even you can join straight also, not a problem. Now here, let us write given condition. Given ABC is triangle, ABC is a right triangle, is a right triangle, whereas right angled at B, that means angle B is equal to 90 degrees. Now this is what here given, and one more thing, D is a point on. D is any point, we can say a point on AB. E is a point on BC. Now this is the given data. Now here what to prove? To prove, let us copy it. AE square plus CD square is equal to AC square plus DE square. AC square plus DE square. Now here let us start the proof. Let us start the proof here. Here just observe. For finding AE square, we need to take the triangle ABE. Simple it is. To find AE square, involve a triangle which has AE. Simple. So here from triangle ABE in which AE is there, let us apply Pythagoras theorem. Right. So here from triangle ABE, where angle B is equal to 90 degrees, angle B equal to 90 degrees. Therefore, we can apply Pythagoras theorem. By Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem. Hypotenuse square means AE square. AE square is equal to AB square plus BE square. AB square plus BE square. Similarly, here you see we need CD square. So CD. So right angle triangle is CBD or DBC, both are same. So let us write from triangle CBD as 90 degrees at B, it should come in the middle. So CBD, or you can write DBC also, in which again angle B is equal to 90 degrees. Let us apply Pythagoras theorem here. Here hypotenuse is CD. So let us write CD square is equal to BC square plus BD square. BC square plus BD square. Same way AC square. Here AC is there in a triangle ABC in which angle B is 90. So let us write from triangle ABC where angle B is equal to 90 degrees. Let us apply again Pythagoras theorem. In triangle ABC, if B is 90 degrees, then AC is the hypotenuse. So AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. AB square plus BC square. Next, DE square. Here is a DE. So we need to take a triangle DBE in which angle B equal 90 degrees. So let us take from triangle DBE in which angle B is equal to 90 degrees. Let us apply Pythagoras theorem. It is DE square. DE square is equal to BD square plus BE square. BD square plus BE square. So here let us give some equation numbers. It can be taken as equation number 1 and this as equation number 2 and this one equation number 3 and this one is equation number 4. Now let us take LHS, left hand side part. In this proof also written, in this LHS we can take. So consider LHS means left hand side part. AE square plus CD square. AE square plus CD square. Here you just find them out where we have AE square and CD square. In equation 1 we have AE square value, that is AD square plus BE square. AE square can be written as AB square plus BE square, right, plus CD square can be written as BC square plus BD square. BC square plus BD square, right. This is what, since from equations 1 and 2, right. Now here just observe the required one is AC square plus DE square. Here you see what is AC square? AB square plus BC square, right. If we write AB square BC square together, then that can be replaced with AC square later. Same way here you want DE square. Here what is DE square? BD square plus BE square. If you write BE square BD square writing together, in the further step that can be replaced with DE square. Is it clear? So here you just observe we need AC square. AC square is sum of AB square and BC square. Let us write these two common, means side by side. So it is just I am rearranging it to get the answer. I am rearranging that. First I am writing AB square. Anyway it is okay, plus it is summation. So we can alter the terms. So here we can alter the terms in the sense we can alter the order of the terms. So here after AB square, instead of writing BE square I am writing BC square. So AB square plus BC square. I am keeping this in a bracket plus. Now here I did not write earlier BE square. Now I am going to write BE square plus this BD square I maintain as it is. Just observe, I am writing AB square plus BE square plus BC square plus BD square as AB square plus BC square writing together plus BE square plus BD square writing together. These two steps do not have any difference. Both are absolutely equal. Now here AB square plus BC square from equation 3, it can be replaced with AC square. Let us write as AC square plus BE square plus BD square. Here BE square plus BD square, here BD square BE square, both are same. Can be replaced with DE square. DE square. Here I have used since from equations 3 and 4. Using 3 and 4 I have replaced them, right. Here you observe AC square plus DE square. AC square plus DE square. That is what we want here. That is RHS we got. So right hand side part we have reached. So here we can write when we take LHS we got RHS. LHS equal to RHS. Let us write little bit more carefully, clearly. LHS is AE square plus CD square. AE square plus CD square is equal to RHS we got as AC square plus DE square. Just you observe the given question. ABC is a right triangle let B. Okay, D and E are any points on AB and BC respectively. Prove that AE square plus CD square is equal to AC square plus DE square. Here we can write hence proved. With this problem second one gets completed.